This is Patrick Baker with Prime of Life Tech. In this video, I'll discuss how to install the Zoom app on your Apple devices. Installing the Zoom app on an iPhone or an iPad is effectively the same process. You go to the App Store, you download and install the application. I'm going to go ahead and launch the App Store and we'll get started. At the upper left of my screen, you see the App Store icon. I'm going to tap that and go into the App Store. Next thing, I'm going to search for the Zoom application. Now, I've installed this once before and I've uninstalled it for the purposes of recording this video. So let me just show you some slight differences in the process. You see at the top left there, it says Zoom Cloud Meetings, and then just to the right above the blue rectangle box there, you see a cloud icon with an arrow in it. That's indicating that I've already installed this once. But if you scroll down a little bit, or if I scroll down, you'll see next to this Zoom Rooms a Get button, a gray Get button with blue letters. That's what you would normally see, and I'm going to just demonstrate for you what this looks like. So let's pretend that I'm installing this Zoom Rooms, which is going to be a little bit different. I tap Get. The App Store then wants me to provide my Touch ID to install. Now, I have the App Store app set up to use my fingerprint reader. If you have a similar device, you may also see this. It may also want to use Face ID if you have the facial recognition of the iPhone X. Otherwise, you may have to enter a password. I'm going to cancel that because I don't actually want to install this app. I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to download the Zoom app and begin installing it. Now, it'll just take a moment here while it downloads and installs for me. Once we get the Zoom app installed, we'll go ahead and we'll open it. And at that point, we'll then proceed to the next video where I'll tell you how to log in and set the permissions for Zoom so that it can use your microphone and your camera during a video call. You'll notice the button that appeared next to Zoom Cloud Meetings now says Open. I'm going to go ahead and tap Open, and it launches the Zoom app for me. Now there's a little 4-screen sort of intro that you can swipe through here on your own so that you can see what Zoom is capable of doing for you. But the next step will be to either sign up with an email address and a password so you have a login unique to Zoom, or to use either your Google or your Facebook ID to sign into Zoom, which we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.